Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Thandai Mousse. Begin by soaking nuts and chilling ingredients. This improves texture and flavor. Grind the nuts into a fine paste, then gently warm milk to infuse Thandai masala before cooling. Whip cream to soft peaks and fold in the nut milk mixture carefully to preserve lightness. Spoon into molds and chill until set for a creamy, aromatic dessert. Warm welcome, let's focus on the Thandai base. Lightly toast spices to release oils, then grind with soaked nuts into a fragrant paste. Simmer the paste in milk briefly to marry flavors, sweeten to taste, and cool fully so the mousse holds structure. Strain through a fine sieve for extra smoothness, and chill the mixture until cold so it blends cleanly with whipped cream for a perfect mousse. Now let's create that cloud-like mousse texture. Whip cold heavy cream to soft peaks, keeping it airy and not overbeaten. Gently fold a third of the whipped cream into the chilled Thandai milk to lighten it, then incorporate the rest carefully to preserve volume. Spoon into serving dishes, cover, and refrigerate until firm. Finish with chopped pistachios or rose petals for a pretty, fragrant touch before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.